Good morning, children. Already you have completed the supplementary, that is the mystery of cyber friend. If you are using not beneficially the computer or online, whatever the projects may be, it will create a great problem to us. That lesson, the supplementary explained to you, and I gave question and answers also. Objective sectional we have completed. We have to go for question and answers. Before that, we have completed fill in the blanks, true or false, and who is the speaker, everything we have completed. Only thing we have to say question and answers. That is, already questions are in the book. So you have to copy the questions from the book, answers from the book. The first question is, why did Sri's parents buy her a computer? And while taking lesson itself, I said everything is completed. Question and answers I give you afterwards. So we have to copy down, take your English class notebook, copy the questions from the book, answers from the board. Clear? First question is, why did Sri's parents buy her a computer? Why? Because they want a daughter to learn computer, so they bought the computer. Okay? I'll write the answers on the board, just copy down. Question and answers. Question from the book I said already. Answer. Sri's parent. First to be yes. Bought a computer because they wanted her to learn computers. She's parent bought her a computer because they wanted her to learn computer. Next one, how did she make friends through computer? Second question. How did she makes friends through computer? She answer. She joined Friendsnet first to be yes it is on her 13th birthday. 13th. She joined Friendsnet on her 13th birthday. Full stop. Through THROUGH. Through this net, she made friends. She joined Friendsnet on her 13th birthday. Through this net, she made friends. Clear? And the third question. What were the online activities given in the story? What all she did? How she get caught? Everything we have to learn. Write as a. We have to write this one as answer. That is, she was cheated by the imposter. No, that we have to read. We have to write. Then answer. Chaitra. Who is Chaitra? A computer friend, online friend. Actually, she is not a girl, she is a man, and she is using a film actress photo as his photo, as the girl's photo. Yes, he is known by Chaitra, but actually he is not a man, so he is not a girl. is a man who is in the age of 30 to 35 and is cheating all the persons like this only. Okay, Chaitra tells to Sri that she is studying in school nearby Shri School. The first line, what it is? Chaitra tells to Sri that she is studying in school nearby Shri School. She used full stop here. She used a film star star's picture as a profile full stop here. She asked Sri to come to the railway station all alone. Okay. Chaitra tells to Sri that she is studying in school nearby Shri School. She used a film star's picture as a profile. She asked Sri to come to the railway station all alone. Here. Then we have to go for the fourth one. How did Sri aunt save Sri from the man who pretended to be Chaitra? I think this place is not enough, so let me write here. Fourth question. Answer. Shri's aunt accompanied her. Accompany means what? Going along with her. To the railway station. Then she informed to the station manager, that is station master only, about the new friend who is new friend, that man who is named as Chaitra, a new friend, and asked him, here him means what? The station master, and asked him to help them. To help them. When she saw the man, talking to Sri, nouns we have to write in capital only. She hit him with her handbag. With her handbag. Whoa. He ran away. Who ran away? A man who is pretended as a Chaitra. He ran away into the crowd. Crowded train. Crowded, CROWDED, crowded train, over. Clear? The last one. Fifth one. How did the police find the man who pretended to be Chaitra? Answer A. Cyber crime. There is a special department, I said already, to investigate all those problems. A cyber crime officer went through Shree's computer within few hours. He found the man which man is who pretended to be Chaitra. Okay. A cybercrime officer went through Shree's computer. Within hours, he found the man who pretended to be Chaitra. That's all the question and answers given in the supplementary. There is characters and all already again. Now we have to say one comprehension passage is there in the book. That is the comprehension passage you have to write in the composition notebook. Already the composition notebooks are given to you. Take the composition notebook. You know how to use the composition notebook also. Now children, take page number 204 in your textbook. That is not 204, 212. Now we have to verify page number 212. Okay, one paragraph is given. That paragraph you no need to write because it's in the book itself, you no need to write. The composition notebook always we used to write on the other side only, no. This side you have to copy down the errors, whatever you committed. This side only answers. So while writing answers, copy the question and answer. So double margin and write comprehension. Exercise number 1, comprehension. 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 You have to write comprehension and go for the question and answers. Questions are given here. We have to pick the answer from the paragraph what is given. The first one is, whom did the station master try to catch? That's related to that only. Children, if it is a regular class, certainly you would have answered me. But we are in the online classes only now. So just, you itself just say what it is. Let me rub the board and give the question and answers for this. Almost you can mark in the paragraph itself, but it won't be in the proper form. So we have to write the grammar, no, it is English, so language. We have to write with the correct grammar. The heading is what I said, comprehension. This you have to write in the double margin. Your date, exercise number, date we have to write. Next to date, exercise number. 1. Question with answer. Question you have to copy from the book. Answers only. First question. Whom did the station master try to catch? Take up from the half of the answer. You can take from the question. The station master what's in the verb? Did catch. Whom did the station master try to catch? So did try changes into tried. The station master tried to catch the imposter, that is the man who is acting, who pretended to be Chaitra. Clear? Next one. Where did they all go? Where did they all go? They all, after the incident has happened, after the railway station incident, they all went to, who are all the police, the girl and her auntie, station master, all together, they all went to police station. Third one is, who are the brave pair in the story? Who are the brave pair? That is the girl and the auntie. The brave pair are she and her auntie. Fourth one, was the man honest or not? No, the man was not honest. This one you have to copy in the composition notebook. And the fifth one, how did the police find the criminal? That is in the last line, it says, the police went through Shree's computer through that. Already this answer I gave. Through that they found out the criminal. Found out the criminal. Over children, that's all. The thing is over. This you have to write in the composition notebook. Within the two double line you have to write comprehension. Already some letters you have written, I hope so. Then you have to write, newly we are starting for the third term now. So you have to write exercise number 1, question with answer. Questions are not given. You have to copy the questions from the book. I think my handwriting is clear, so copy down. Okay, thank you children. Let us see in another class.